Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine at home. I am Mrs. Ranjeet Kaur. Our class is Nirman and our subject is maths. Okay, today we are going to learn the concept of heavy and light. Heavy and light. You know students, what is a heavy and light? Heavy means bhara. Heavy means bhara. Light means halka. Heavy means bhara, light means halka. Okay, I am going to give some example by showing some objects. Okay, this is a two bottles. One bottle is filled with water and this bottle is empty. Okay, so filled with water, bottles goes down and this bottle is goes up. This bottle is goes down and this bottle is goes up. It means this bottle is heavy and this bottle is light. This bottle is filled with water. It means this bottle is heavy and this bottle is light. Okay. Okay, this is a tap and this is mobile phone. This is a tab, this is mobile phone. Students, tell me which object is a heavy and light? Yes, this mobile phone is light and this tab is heavy. This tab is heavy and this mobile light. Okay. Take your maths book. Take your maths book, open your book, page number 11. Look at the objects on the seesaw. Okay, this object that is down on the seesaw is heavy and this object is goes upper. This is a light object. Okay, this object is goes up. It means this is a light object and this object is goes down. This object is heavy. Okay, next page open. Okay, students, tell me which object is a heavy and which object is a light? Yes, this object is heavy and this object is light. Okay, next is which object is a heavy and which object is a light? Okay, tell me student. Yes, this is a heavy object and this is a light object. Okay, this bowl filled with rice and this bowl is empty. Okay, tell me students which is a light object? Yes, this is a light object and this is a heavy object. Okay, next page. Students, which object is light between these? Only light objects. Okay, tick the box under the correct picture. This one and this one light. Yes, this is a light object. Tick under the box. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, next is which object is a heavy between these? Which object is a heavy between these? Yes, this is a heavy object. Tick here. Okay. Next is which object is a light between these? Yes. Which object is a light between these? Light. Yes, this is object light and tick the box. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.